All right, this is a video reference for this shoulder loading exercise. It's the 5.5-month position. We use this as a way to load the shoulder gently and get all the muscles of the shoulder and shoulder blade turned on and activated before we start doing a lot of other more dynamic movements. So you lie in the side lying position here, kind of fetal position, knees bent at the belt level. So the knees are forward, the elbow is forward in front of my shoulder. You'll notice when you're just lying down here, what you want to do is lift your head up. If it's too much strain on your neck, you can take a pillow and put it underneath. But really what we're going to first do is you're going to think about lifting your ribs off the ground. So when you create a space or a bridge underneath here, what that does automatically is turn on your shoulder the right way. So just by keeping that alone, my shoulder is on. It's not going to scream at you, but the muscles are on. Then once we have this position here, what we want to actively do is push the elbow down. So when you push the elbow down, it lightens up my weight on my shoulder. I almost want to imagine that my shoulder is like levitating off the ground. Not literally doing this, but you're pushing down hard enough where it's lighter on the shoulder, more pressure on the elbow. When you do that, you should start feeling the downside of the shoulder, those muscles feeling a little bit more of that muscle burn or muscle fatigue. From here, you hold this position, and we want to make sure that our ribs are down, not flared out like this. And once we're in this position holding here, we're going to breathe into the belly. 10 big breaths, take a break. All right, you saw it from the front side. Now we're going to show you that activation from the back side. So you see my position of to start, and all I'm going to do right now is I'm going to create that space underneath my rib cage. So you can see how I'm naturally lifting up here. You can see my fingers here. I'll drop down again. I'm going to lift up and hold. Once I have that, now I'm going to push my elbow down a little bit more to lighten that load on my shoulder. Once I have that and I feel that shoulder really working, I'm going to breathe for my 10 breaths and then relax. And then typically we repeat this for 2 more sets. That's 3 sets total, 3 sets, 10 breaths for the day.